This week on JD's Home, we are going to be having one video every day. Yesterday, I shared with you all my surprise baby shower vlog, and the reception was amazing. Thank you for all your lovely comments. If it's your first time on JD's Home, this channel is Juditha's Home. As the name goes, I share with you guys everything about my home, the delicious meals that I make for my family, meal planning, and a little bit of lifestyle vlogs here and there. Today we are going to be making Fulere. This is a very common drink in Africa, I would say West Africa. We use hibiscus leaf to make it. These are all the ingredients I'm showing you. I am going to be using dates, pineapple, and then there's an ingredient that will came in as an afterthought. I will show you guys later. There's an extra ingredient, so we use 4 different ingredients for this Fulere drink. Now to start the process, you are going to put your hibiscus leaf into water. Ensure that the water is over the hibiscus leaf, and then you just keep shaking with your hand and removing the leaf. This is to help every sand, dirt, anything that is not supposed to be in there to just go to the bottom. I even removed the stone from this. The process of drying the hibiscus leaf, I don't think is done in the most hygienic way, so you really have to wash your hibiscus leaf before you boil it to make your Fulere drink. Okay, so I'm going to be using dates. I went ahead to open up the dates and take out the seed, and then just leave it in water while I'm processing all the other things. I'm going to go ahead and really wash my pineapple. You want to use pineapple that is really ripe. That way you're going to get all the juice and all the sweetness. Now this brush, I like to use it to wash my fruits. This is not the brush I use for my baby's bottles. For his bottles, I have blue, and then for my fruits, I have pink. When it's bad, I make sure I buy a color that is not the same color as his. I'm explaining this because I know some people might cringe. Okay, after washing my pineapple, I'm going to go ahead and peel it, and then I'm going to put my pineapple peels just on top of the hibiscus leaf that I've washed. Okay, I'm going to put it in the pot, add some water, and then boil it. I am also going to blend the pineapple together with the dates and the extra ingredient I told you guys I was going to show you guys at some point in this video. Okay, so now I'm just going to add my pineapple back into my hibiscus leaf. That's what I'm doing. Now this is the special ingredient I spoke about. Oh no, we have not yet gotten there. I'm still opening up my dates. But yeah, this is now the special ingredient I was talking about. I just had an afterthought, like why not add some ginger? If you have been watching this channel, you'll notice that in a lot of my juices I add ginger. I just like that extra heat that ginger brings into every drink or most drinks. So yeah, I have all my ingredients prepped. I'm just going to blend the pineapple, add some water, and make sure the water is over the pineapple peel, and then boil. I boiled this for about 40 minutes. Keep watching, enjoy the process, and I'm sure you're going to be salivating by the time this Fulere is. In fact, you'll be getting the flavor from where you are. Here we have our very delicious, very sweet pineapple juice. We are going to set it aside while our Fulere or our hibiscus leaf and pineapple peel are boiling. This has been boiling for over 40 minutes. I am going to take it out of the fire at this point. I allowed it to cool down a bit, and then I use this big strainer just to ensure that I don't have particles going into my Fulere. Now I put in my blended pineapple, ginger, and dates into my Fulere, or into my boiled hibiscus leaf, to now combine everything and make my Fulere. I am still going to run it through a strainer one more time, a smaller strainer, just to ensure that we have no foreign unwanted particles in this Fulere. You guys, I am editing this video, is it 2 or 3 days after making this Fulere, and I don't have even a bottle. I drank just 1 bottle. We gave out some. The day I made it, I had some visitors, and then the rest of my family members were so interested in it. And when I make things, most times I like to see people enjoy it. I like to have people enjoy it, so I had just a bottle. I think I'm going to make some more this coming week. Let's see how that goes. I hope you guys are enjoying my everyday uploads. I uploaded yesterday, today I will upload tomorrow, and I will keep uploading. So tell your friends and your friends to come over and watch. This is what our Fulere drink looks like. I put it in the freezer and it was looking chilled, tasting good. Try out this recipe. Tell me how it turns out for you. Do you like Fulere or do you not like Fulere? I think it's a nice drink. I like it. We have come to the end of this video. See you tomorrow. Please, if it's your first time coming to this channel, do not leave without subscribing. Do not make it your last. You would definitely enjoy being on this channel with me. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye.